Let's see how to build meaningful connections on Instagram using a simple automation. So here, when it comes to Instagram, when you receive tons of comments on your reels or post, it will be very hard for you to keep up with those comments. You won't be able to know who are the people actually commenting on your Instagram over there. So what you can do is you can actually send specific messages to the people who actually comments on your Instagram reels or post, and also try to start building relationship with those people who actually comment and also make sales as well. So let's see how to do that right here. So here I have just a simple example over here. So here we can actually send this sort of message for the followers, so they can actually comment any sort of things on your Instagram reels or post, and we can actually send this particular message only one time right there to their Instagram DMs. And if they actually non-followers, we can actually send a message something like this: hi, I saw your comment and just wanted to reach out to say thanks for joining the convo. Simple as that. So this is just a simple conversation saying thanks. So what happens is that if they actually check those sort of messages in their DMs, they might actually reply to you, and when they reply, you can actually jump in and talk with those customers as well. But there is also a possibility to assign those conversations to AI and handle those as well. So let's see how to set up a simple Instagram DM automation to trigger this one when they actually comments on your Instagram reels or post, and send this only one time. So let's see how to do that. So here I'm in a demo account, and we have already connected this particular Instagram account right here, and let's create a chatbot flow which handle this one. So let me go to the flows and let me create a new flow, and let me name this flow as a DM connections. So here we want to send a specific messages based on the following status. So if they are following you, then we will send this sort of message. If they are not following, we will send this sort of message. So in this case, I need to actually start with a condition right here. So choose the condition, and here uh, search for the condition Instagram, and here you will see follows business on Instagram, whether they actually following your business on the Instagram, and you have to change this one as the starting step. All right, and here if they're actually following your business on Instagram, we can send one specific message. If they are not following, then we can actually send this sort of message right here. So here if they are following, we want to send this message right here. So let me add the message over here and choose the content as text, and simply add this message. So instead of hey name, you can actually type curly bracket and choose first name. So it will simply address the customer with their first name as well. And if they are actually not following you, we can actually send this sort of message right here. And again for this one, let me add the text over here and say first name as well. All right, so here we have created this simple automation right here, but we also want to make sure this is sent only once as well. So here let me add a tag over here, actions, add a tag, actions, add tag, and let me say DM connection message sent. So let me add this tag over here and connect this one and this one right here. So that means after it actually sent for the one time, it will simply add this tag. And before we trigger this message, we can add one more condition right here, and you can actually check for the tag is, and search for this one, DM connection message sent. So if the tag is present, that means we have already sent them this sort of message for them, so we don't want to send this message again and again. So we want to send only one time. So if it is not, then we can actually check for their status and send it. Make sure to change the starting step to this one. Simple as that. Click publish. So we have simply created this particular automation which will be sent only one time, and we will actually send messages based on the following status as you see here. So now we want to actually connect this one to the Instagram comments automation. So for that, you have to go to auto marketing over here. So go to auto marketing and choose Instagram comments automation, and let me create a new one, and let me name this one as Instagram connections. Instagram connections, and click continue. So here you can choose this one, track comments on all posts. So it will simply works for your all past post and also reels as well, and also the future post and the reels as well. But anyways, we will be actually sending this message only one time, so you can simply choose this option right here, and private reply to the comment. So that is the message we want to send to them right here. So you have to choose this particular flow. The flow name is DM connections. So let me actually choose this flow, DM connections. So here, public reply to comment. So when someone actually comments anything on your Instagram post or reels, what is the public comment reply you want to add? So here you can actually make this one as a question as well. So let me say, did you get my DM? Can you please check my DM? Something like this. So you can actually add a question right here. So they might actually reply to your public comment reply within the Instagram post or reel as well. So that will actually increase the engagement as well. So likewise, you can actually add several variations as well, and here reply to all comments. So it doesn't matter whether they comment a specific keyword or even an emoji, this automation will be triggered. So here in more options, reply after. So instead of sending these messages immediately, you can actually wait for like few minutes or seconds as well. So that will actually increase a more human touch over there. So let me actually, for this one, let me add like 15 seconds a delay just for the demo, but you can actually add to like few minutes and up to like 60 minutes as well randomly. So let me choose like 15 seconds and let me click save. So make sure you activate this one as well before we test this. All right, this is active as well. So now let me actually open the Instagram and see how this actually works. As you can see, I'm already following this particular Instagram account right here. So that means when I comment on one of these reels or post, I will actually receive this sort of message. Just wanted to say thanks for your comment and on my post. I love connecting with people here and learning more about what brings all together. So here, let me actually add a comment over here and check this one. So let me say, just add a comment like these emojis over here and see how this actually works over here. So I just added a comment, so it will actually wait for like 15 seconds because we set the limit to 15 seconds before it actually send us a DM over there. As you see, we just received the message right here and it says, "Here Robert, just wanted to say thanks for your comment on my post. I love connecting with people here and learning more about what brings us all together." So that's just a single message. So even if I comment on some other post, some other emojis, nothing happens because it will send only one time right there. So here I just added this sort of emoji right here, but we won't receive any sort of messages right here. Here, this is the omnichannel inbox right here. An agent can easily jump in and talk with the customer as well, or you can even send any sort of voice messages. You can even create appointments, send specific products, tons of possibilities right here. So that's a quick video on how you can actually build connections using a simple Instagram DM automation. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.